All right, welcome everyone. First day of the new build, so let's dig in and see what we can get into. I need... this one is not in order, like that train was. That was nice. All the basically went A through to F. Marbles over there. But this one starts off on B. Okay. I think I see where this is going, so let me do one more quick arrangement before I... No, it's not. Well, it will. Alright, so I need B1, which basically negates this whole thing because it's taking the whole section out. Okay. So right off the bat, B's in two pieces. Okay. But I've made contingency plans for that. Then... enabling here. Get to C. Now... need C5 times 2 for C5, C6 times 2, there you guys are, C7 times 2, starting to see the pattern, C8, C9, 9, 8, I just realized I can zoom out a little bit. I was working on my toy channel earlier today, so I had zoomed in to see the details on the action figures. I was I don't know. I still hadn't decided what to call it. Recovering, reclaiming, reviving, and C17. Oh yeah, and I meant to tell you, I skipped the part where I was telling you what I was doing. As I said during the unboxing, I'm going to be doing similar to the train build. I'm going to try and keep it minimal. I'm thinking two steps per day should get us done in 2 weeks, less than 2 weeks, barely. That should be 13 days. So I think that seems like a reasonable amount of time for one of these little projects. And it sort of, I can handle that pace with, life. This is... I don't remember any of the other ones being this difficult to sand. Just a lot of nooks and crannies on this one. That's got everything. Okay. Now let's get back to these. Lots of nooks and crannies on this one too. Not as bad as the last one, but still. Didn't seem like there was this many pieces like when I took them off. They all popped off so quick. It gave me a false sense of confidence on how long this was going to take. Plus all the brakes are right in curves too, so that makes it okay, finally. So let's get this thing started now. Finally, let's see. Orient it like so. And C9 goes here. Which one? Yeah, like that. And C7 goes there. Okay. And another C7. Next one down. I like how they make these. They're not idiot proof, but you know the holes set up where you can't flip them the wrong way. That's something I really like about the ROKR sets. It helps you out there. And C12. Yep. I say, even this one, even though they're similar sized, they're not the right size. That one wouldn't quite fit in there. I'm not going to focus it. But it goes like that. Okay, and C5. Times 2 up here. You and you. Oops, out of frame. And C17. And I always find it satisfying when you line these up and put all these slots go right, you know, fairly close to going right into place. There it went. And C8 goes, which one? Yep, C8 here. Oh, I missed the C6s over on the other side. C6s here and here. Okay. So that's the first half of step 1. And we get to pull more pieces. C10, 11, 13, and 14. 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16. And 16. And back to Actually, since I'm dealing with curves right now, I'm going to go into the sandpaper. All right, let's knock this out. Try and keep it like this so the whole thing stays in frame. Okay, so these all over. C10. Oop, where'd you go, 10? Goes here. And is the top one here. There you go. And 11. Next one. Try to maybe start on this one this time. And 14. Here to here. Yeah. 13. Yeah, the first, yeah. And 15. Similarly, in there. And 16 all the way across. Moves. Getting some resistance on that one. All right. But there we go. Got us a nice lattice faceplate established. Pretty standard operating procedure for ROKR to get that foundation down for you to build on. Which I sort of like. Makes things a little easier. With the U-gears, they were, you built the top part and then went back and put the base plate under it, which it worked. But all right, that being said, I'm gonna take a quick break here and get ready for step 2. Be right back. Okay. A1. And B7. There we are. And F. 1. And G2 times 4. G5, G2. Let's see. Handy dandies. And 4. Okay. And, okay. For this, I think I will use the now move back to the okay. Seems pretty straightforward for step 2 here. Yep. Okay. Just going. Those both sides there. I don't know what they saw. It's dark outside, so they can't see much. Hey, what's going on out there? There's something out there they want to chase. No doubt. They're too old for that. Okay. One side gets one, and the other side gets the other. Just line up our tabs there and there. Hopefully, get them going. And over here. I recognize this as a marble transportation system. Everything's nice and flush-ish. Yep, that's what it is. They'll pick up the marbles and drop them. All right. But that was all there was to step 2. So I'm going to call that a night. And, as always, everyone, I'm getting darn close to 600 subscribers. I'm utterly amazed at that. I appreciate every single one of you. Anybody who watches my videos, I'm thankful for you. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share. Do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another. Stay healthy. And I'll see you next time. Bye.